you, Jesus, for your love so true, for every blessing you lead me through. In my weakness, you are my strength, you hold my life in your gentle hands. Thank you, Jesus, for saving me, for your grace that set my heart free. Through every trial, you stay so near. I lift my voice in thanks and praise to you. Thank you, Jesus, for the cross you bore, for the mercy you given forevermore. When I fall down, you help me stand, you guide my steps with your loving plan. Thank you, Jesus.